elaborate to cases which English law has been applied by the judges in the Straits Settlement, give the facts and the principles of the cases. A Muslim, Muhammad Nordin, died in Penang. Fatima, who claimed to be the widow of Muhammad Nordin, filed a petition to obtain a decree of the court to declare that the property should not be disposed if Mohammedan law was being applied. The main issue in this case is whether English law or Mohammedan law should be applied to determine the validity of the will.
What is the principle?
Sir William Hackett highlighted that Penang should be considered as terra nullius and there was no proper system of law in Penang since it was nobody's land.
Plaintiff was employed by the defendant as a table servant in Penang at a salary of $6 per month. On July 20, 1807, plaintiff was whipped 20 times by the defendant's order. Plaintiff complained to the police magistrate. The defendant was angered by this. The defendant sent a sepoy to fetch the plaintiff. The defendant whipped plaintiff again 20 times and subsequently confined him. On November 13, 1807, defendant ordered the plaintiff to be tied up to a stake and had him whipped 100 times for having defamed the defendant to the magistrate. Not having satisfied with this, the defendant then placed the plaintiff under confinement for 2.5 months again.
How about the principle?
The Charter did not, in defined terms, introduce English law, but its provisions were interpreted by the judiciary as having introduced English law.